Hello to all our viewers. Welcome to Nisha Lakshmi world. Hope you all are doing good. Today we bring to you Masala Aloo Fry. This is served as a side dish in most of the South Indian marriages. This dish could be made in just 20 minutes and it's made using spice powders. So let's check out the recipe. Please do consider to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on our new videos published. For this, I have taken mustard seeds, quarter cup of green peas, 2 tomatoes roughly chopped, 1 large onion thinly sliced, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic crushed, few curry leaves, 4 slit green chilies or according to your taste. Here I have taken 4 medium-sized potatoes which was boiled previously with some salt and which is peeled and roughly mashed. 2 teaspoons of red chili powder or according to your taste. Salt according to your taste. 1½ teaspoons of garam masala. In a heated pan, I have taken some oil. Once the oil is heated, I shall be adding in the mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds crackle, add in the sliced onions. Green chilies, curry leaves, and saute for some time. Next, add in the crushed ginger garlic and saute until the raw smell goes. Once the raw smell has gone, add in the chopped tomatoes and saute for some time. Next, add in the powders and saute until it's well combined. Once everything combines well, add in the green peas. And saute. Now let's cover the lid and cook on a low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally. Once the peas has cooked completely, add in the mashed potatoes. and mix well until everything is well combined. Check for salt and spice and adjust if required. Finally, add in the coriander leaves. And give everything a good mix. Spicy, tasty masala aloo fry is ready to be served. It is the best accompaniment with chapathi, puri, roti, and can also be enjoyed with rasam rice, sambar rice, curd rice. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.